Rainer Banham calls for a paradigm shift in the treatment of environmental technology in architecture. A similar shift has happened before in a different art medium. The development of photographic technology shifted a paradigm in painting. Because realistic representations of portraiture could be made in 15 minutes and at greater detail than ever before, realist portraiture painting lost its authority. In the 20th century, these painters turned away from classical and formal portrait art and looked to new ways of representing reality. The new technology at the time, photography, created a new art medium. However, it wasn't without opposition. Writers such as Charles Baudelaire saw the cold photographic machine instead of the human behind the machine, and saw the technology as a threat to the realms of French art. With the domestication of electricity, retail trade combated the portable electrical lamp and phrased their argument as a defense of the authority of architects and interior designers. The motivation was market-driven, but the narrative on emerging technology was similarly regressive. How can environmental technologies inform the art of architecture? For one, the separation of combustion gases and warming air allowed for the stove or furnace to be located in another room. The practice of spatially locating household activities according to heating was also changed as the limitations of direct heating by flame disappeared. The kit of parts changed from direct heat to ventilated heat. Other technologies like gas illumination produced soot, which meant that these technologies were accompanied by a ritual of cleaning and possibly even fixtures to collect the soot. Electric illumination made those fixtures obsolete, and the kit of parts changed again. Passive heating and ventilation strategies were effective in large and multi-story buildings. Because the sizing was dependent on efficiency, only a certain kind of building was able to install these technologies. As a result, a specific urban social organization was reinforced. Institutional and civic buildings were a part of this category, but retail buildings and stores also took on these technologies to attract customers. When those same technologies physically became smaller, it also allowed for individual homes to install them, which reinforced a different social organization. Rainer Banham presents this brief history of heating and illumination, and reveals the effects it has on building typology, social organization, aesthetics, and experience of spaces. For him, technology cannot be cleanly separated from art. Taking on technology as a form of art can serve to elevate architectural work.
Have a nice day, and here comes the switch-off tone.